This is the root here. Single bevel on the head. Alright. We'll go to the other end. Alright, this end's finished. Not well in that. I think it took 5 passes on that. That head is 4 inches thick. Shaft is 6 inches in diameter. No, I'm sorry. Shaft's 5 inches in diameter. That's my ground lug. 20 feet long. That is a huge roll. I have it plug weld right here. I got 4 scattered around in 2 places that I have to do. You can see how thick. That's 1.25 inches thick shell. That roll weighs about 4,500 pounds. It's heavy. Alright, that's all I got to share this afternoon. I'm gonna get going and finish filling this joker out, capping it. I'll catch y'all on the next one.